Hey everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity Think Tank. As we are covering 29th lab, we are on 30th. So it's all about eliminating network resources by using advanced IP scanner. It's a small tool, right? So we are going to scan a complete network, right? Advanced IP scanner is a free network scanner that provides a various type of information regarding the local network computers. So we are talking about LAN over here, so we can scan the LAN systems here. The complete networking detail we can get in a LAN, like with the port things we can get, which one is a live system, which one is dead, which system was working, is communicating or not, right? So first thing is all about going to check the software. As I've told you, it's all about advanced IP scanner. So we are download advanced IP scanner. Here we go. So you can see here advancedipscanner.com. Click the link. We got it. Okay. So by using this tool, we are going to scan the complete LAN to check, how many systems are working. It's very important to perform the vulnerability scanning to find the network flows in the vulnerability and patch before attacker can intrude into it. So our goal is of running a scanner to identify the device on your network that are open to known vulnerabilities. So first thing is all about to scan the network. You can see here. Nice, awesome. You can see here, right? The remote control via RDP and our admin, you can say. So it's advanced IP scanner, reliable and a free network scanner to analyze the LAN. The program scan all network devices and gives you access to the sharefold and FTP servers, right? Provide remote control of the computer via RDP and our admin, and can even remotely switch computer off. It's easy to use and runs as a portable edition. Should be very first choice for every network admin, or you can say every security professional. So this is all about the tool. You can see here the scan one, and we can get the detail. These are some key features of the tool. Export scan result to the CSV format, remote access, remote work on LAN, and shut down the system. MAC address detection, very important. Easy access to the network shares, and then no installation required. Nothing like independent tool. And here we go, free to download. Right, so you should be very happy. You can download it free. It's nothing like okay, so this is all about, you can download the tool from this link. As you downloaded, here we go. This is all about in tool folder. We have advanced IP scanner. We're going to install. Click on yes. Sorry, install, preparing, next. I accept the terms, the license agreement, the next. Here we go to install. It's a small tool and will give you the result very fast. Small lab, as you can get detail of the LAN, right? So you can click to launch and finish. So get the complete detail of the LAN, you have to connect it with Dukara. So here we go. This is a tool. You can see here the advanced IP scanner. This button we have on a scan, the actions. When we have done the scanning part, then we can think about it. You can see here automatically has taken the range 196.168.1.1 to 1.254, right? You can click on a scan. We are not taking the permission from anybody, right? We are just going for scan, right? So here we go. You can see here D-Link home, Manila IP, Eternal IP home, and Dukara PC. We got 4 systems. Still now it's working still. 187 unknown, 4 live, 0 is dead, 75% we have done, 100. Okay, so we go 4 live systems, 0 dead, 250 is unknown. So results are D-Link home, broadband, router. This is the detail of the router, important part. It's not a system showing you, this is the router, right? the broadband router, the IP address having local IP 192.168.1.1, manufacturer, the MAC address, right? Second one, Manila IP, Intel Corporation, the manufacturer, the MAC address and the IP we got. Then upon Null IP home, then Dukara PC, then we can right click on any, we can explore to get some more detail, but we need a password for that to check it out, right? In case you can see here the shutdown, in case you want to shut down any system, it will ask you for the username authentication. In case you are giving the 16 system, that system will be shut down within the time period you have given. Right? So Dukara PC, we can check the detail as the username is Dukara PC. Can cancel. Talking about to explore. So it's all about Dukara PC. Having the password is Dukara. Okay. RA here we go. You can see here the complete detail of the system. Dukara. Here we go, the desktop and each and everything, right? You can see here we can get the access in case you want to get to the shutdown of the system. We can do also same thing we will do. You can see here. Complete drives you can see here, right? The network 192.168.1.4. You can see the IP is same, so we got access of these systems by using the IP address. In case you know the credential, we can get access in the LAN. This is all what you can say the remote access we have taken, right? So this is done. You guys can do with, right, as I told you. You shut down the system by clicking here. It will ask you again the credential as I told you. Again, the username, Dukara, the password within 16. Go shut down, force or reboot, whatever you want, you can do with. So this is all about the tool we have done. Advanced IP scanner, what we have done, I'm going to summarize again. So this is all about, first thing, to search the tool, advanced IP scanner. Here we go. It's really nice tool. Free network scanner you can see here, right? Then advanced IP scanner. This is the detail. The features are very important. As I've told you, MAC address detection as we got here. You can see, right? With the manufacturer name, important part, right? Then remote access as you have taken. I have shown you. Then remote vector and shut down, right? And you can make. You can export the report also, and this is all about file, save on the desktop, as we are showing here. The file name is Dukara, and then save. Then you can check the file over here. Here we go. This is the file. you can see here the details, right? They are on ELAP having IP this, manufacturer Intel Corporation, MAC address, complete detail, Tukara PC, upon ELAP home, D-Link, right? So this is all about, you can export the report also. So this is all about. Then we have done scan, as I've shown you, right? We have given, it has already automatically taken the range. Click on scan, you will get the result. Small one, fantastic. You can get remote access, you can shut down, you can reboot the system. Wasn't great. I mean, so this is all about. We have finished the lab 30th, enumeration network resources by using advanced IP scanner, right? So we have done. Thank you so much.